love helping people. That's my heart. My knowledge steer people in the direction that I know.
It's all right there, turnkey. You can do it for yourself, or you can hire them to do it. So
I can't say enough about the value he provided to us.
I'm gonna teach you guys how to absolutely light your website on fire and get more customers coming to your website. Show up for search terms like near me. The best part is I grew my business 100% from organic traffic from the internet.
A lot of useful information really made me realize there's a lot of things that I'm not doing in my business.
That show what Collaborate does for me is they take all the things I'm not good at electronically as far as websites, SEOs, blog postings, puts it all together in a package for me, and it's one and done. I don't have to do it.
You know why they tell you it's a mystery? Because they don't know either. It's a mystery for them. They have no idea how to get you to show up for a search term. So over the last 10 years, I've learned, studied, and researched how to get my business on Google Maps and the organic search. I'm going to teach you how to collaborate with others in your industry to achieve faster results.
He's able to push or catapult our website to the next level. I can't wait to work with him.
Just from the info and data that he gave us within the class, I know it's amazing. So I can't imagine what he's got saved for his clients.
I went in about 3 months to where I'm #1 on anything I search for now.
And guess what, guys? That's how you target a search term for your website, okay? So the title of your blog post is your exact search term you're going after. It helps you so much when you relate to somebody in your same industry, okay? When you start collaborating with people in the same industry, Google thinks you're just like this big, massive star. Like everybody thinks you're important. That's how you get Google's love, is associating with people in your industry.